Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You and 12 plus years of IT industry experience. Friends, there is a big news which is coming here from TCS. So TCS has even started generating the offer letter, and now many of the student has received, right, the offer letter basically, and you can now go and download it from next step portal. You can see download offer letter here and accept or reject offer letter. Friends, don't do any mistake. Please accept the offer letter very carefully, and you can see the date. The offer letter has been generated today, that is 11th of July 2024. And now friends, it's around 12 in the night, and I am making video for you so that you will be aware. And also friends, in this video we are going to talk, right? So which branch student, right, has got the result or selection. So here we are going to see, right? So CSE, you can see most of the CSE students are only placed. So we are going to talk in very much detail. So ECE student also there, those who has got Ninja, but more CSE, mechanical, civil, right? So all these branches are not there. And again you can see CSE here, Ninja. And again if you will go next, so more students has been got selected for Ninja, and then digital Ninja. But you can see electronics and computer engineering, CSE, artificial engineering, artificial intelligence, right? So and then next page if you'll see, then some ECE student, one digital upgrade. So we'll talk about all those things in detail. So please be with me till the end of this video so that you will be getting the complete clarity. Okay, now, so friends, basically if the students are selected, now they have started getting the offer letters, right? So if you are selected for digital, if you are selected for prime, if you are selected for Ninja, then you have started getting the offer letter. So now let us understand, so how basically the things works, right? So what will be the order, right? And it will be shown on your next step portal. So let me go in the beginning. Okay, now here, so friends, what happens? So the first thing which you will be doing is, right, so you will be registering into the next step portal, right? So once you registers, right, so once you register, so candidate is registered, then you applied for TCS free NQT, then you applied for TCS free NQT drive. Okay, fine. So here application received. Okay, fine. Now I mean okay, and then you applied for the drive. So here you applied for the drive. So first you registered on the next step portal with your email ID, contact number, and then application received means you basically you filled all the details like in 10th percentage, 12th percentage, graduation percentage, each and every detail. Then you applied for the TCS free NQT drive 2024. Fine. And after that you had a written test. Okay, after the written test your status will change. If you are selected, then it is batched. Okay, and then what will happen? Then you will be called for interview, and once you are selected in the interview, then the offer letter will be generated, and that is what is happening now. After your offer letter is generated, right, then friends, anyway you know that you have to submit the documents, right? So on basis on these documents, now background verification will start. Okay, so once you receive the offer letter generated, then you have to accept the offer letter, right? So you have to accept, you might have seen in the next image, you have to accept the offer letter. Okay, and once your background verification will be going in, right, and then the status will change to ILP eligible, right? So after your background verification done, you will be into ILP training basically, so that we will make a complete video on that, right? So now we are in this phase, offer letter, right? So now we are in this phase, we will see. So in offer letter, and we have, so if you will go to, right, your next step portal. Okay, and here if you'll see offer letter, right? So here if you'll see offer letter, okay, offer letter, correct, offer letter. So now you are requested to provide the acceptance of the offer letter online in order to continue your post offer processing. That means background verification, and then what will be, ILP will be there. For queries you can write us to ilp.support@tcs.com. You will be able to download your offer letter from here, and you have to accept, right? So once you accept, then it will change. Okay, so that all those details you have received it. So friends, TCS has become very fast this time, and it is very good news. Okay, now friends, I will talk about the mails, okay, and what all details are here. Before that, friends, I wanted to tell you. So friends, see this kind of messages, right? So it's definitely, gives lot of satisfaction. So sir, thank you so much, sir. Earlier I attended many interviews but did not get selected in any. Lost hope and confidence, and then got to know about your channel. I really liked your way of teaching in aptitude and coding. I got selected for Ninja and I'm really thankful to online study for you. Right? So friend, this kind of messages definitely, see, because the reason is, if we are making the video in the night, right, 12, that means we are really putting effort for you guys, that you need to understand it. Okay, and also friends, so our crash course is definitely has helped many to get a job this time. So there is no second view in that, right? So TCS NQT crash course, our crash course has helped many people to get into digital. You go and see the comments on any of the videos, you will understand that how much effort we have put inside the courses, right? Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't also forget to join this Telegram group, because from here only I am giving the information to you all, right? Okay, fine. Now friends, so let us go back to the particular PPT here, presentation here. So friends, this is the mail now which you are getting. So greetings from TCS. We are glad to inform you that basis your performance in the interview process, you have been selected for an opportunity with us. To further proceed with your offer letter, we require documents from you as part of our eligibility checks. As soon as you will send your documents, right, offer letter is getting generated. Please fill the below Google form before 4 p.m. today for us to proceed further. The final offer is subjected to the candidates meeting the eligibility criteria. Thanks and regards. Okay, now so this is done, right? Okay, and friends, here also you can see, so TCS confidential, right? So you have to submit 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, diploma, all semester mark sheet, right? If eligible, post graduation, all semester mark sheet if eligible. Okay, now friends, one thing, so now even from Kolkata region, so right, so Kolkata region, the result is announced. Okay, Karnataka region also, I mean, see, not everyone, because it is happening in phases. So there are many people, many states where many people have received the result, right? Telangana also, many people, Telangana also many people received the result. Maharashtra were the first place where most of the people received result. Okay, Faridabad we know, right? So there are many states now they have received, and there are many who are receiving. Kolkata also, as I mentioned, so many people have already started getting the results. So this is what is happening, and there is no doubt. So most of the computer science, okay, so once your offer letter is generated, you have to accept the offer letter. Okay, so when there is no doubt, so most of the computer science, right, information science, some of the candidates from electronics have got, right? So here you can see, we are pleased to inform you that mentioned 162 student, right? So the selection is used. So we are pleased to inform you that below mentioned 160 students of our college have got additionally selected in Tata consultancy services, right? So friends, this all these details is for you. So you have to analyze, you have to understand. Therefore, there are many students for which interview has not happened. That also will be happening soon. Don't worry. Okay, I will be giving you each and every update. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best.